Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike, and today's video, I want to do an art piece. I seen this on, I think it was Etsy. I'm not sure. Anyway, I was searching for wood art, scrap wood art, etc., and I came across a giraffe that looks similar to this, and I thought, you know what? I think I can do that, or at least try. So I did. So that's what we're doing in today's video. We're building this giraffe art piece. I hope you enjoy the video. Sit back and relax. I'll see you at the end. All right, builders, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed building this by copying other people's ideas, more say. It helps me get my creative juices going. It don't look as good as the original one I found, but you know what? I have fun. My creative juices started flowing, and hopefully next art piece I build will be my own. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next one, you guys, y'all keep building.